Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start tahti number 10.
No,
10.
yes.
Okay. And it means chapter number 10.
10.
And
Now I see the form of the zero.
yes, the title name of this chapter is Sukoon and Jazam. These both are synonyms. They have same meaning. Jazam or Sukoon. Okay.
Jazam or Sukoon.
You can say either Jazam or you can say Sukoon.
Jazam.
And we know the Jazam and we have been reading it. This is Jazam.
Okay.
The tiny shape.
Even in the next wala, the yeah.
Yes, dal. It is a kind of dal. It seems like a small tiny dal, and it is on the top of any letter. Instead of zabar zer pesh, sometime we have this jazam. Look again, there is jazam. Look again, there is again a jazam.
Jazam.
And we can say it is sukoon. It is sukoon. Yes, sukoon.
Sukoon.
Okay. So jazam and sukoon.
Jazam and Sukoon.
Now, there are few sentences. If we memorize them, they will be helpful for us. The question is, what a jazam looks like. What a jazam looks like. Okay. Can you reply? Can you give the answer?
By coloring
No.
with the highlighter and no.
No. Verbal. I need a verbal reply. What a jazam looks like.
It looks like a tiny dal.
Shabash. Over the letter, on the top of a letter, okay?
Okay.
It never comes beneath the letter. It never comes under the letter. It always comes over the
top.
On the top.
It's like a dal ka crown.
Yes, dal ka crown. So the question was what a jazam looks like, and you gave the right answer, mashallah, that a jazam is like a tiny dal over the letter, on the top of a letter. And you are right, it is always like a crown, not like a shoes.
Okay.
Not like a shoe. Yes.
And not like a clothes.
Yes. The question number 2.
Gee, and the clothes are already on. Like if it's sunny outside, you wearing 2 shirts is gonna be too hot.
Yes. The question number 2 is, what is the title? What is the title name? What is the attributive name of the letter? Yes, you are right. The jazam is sukoon. But this is the other question. The question is the letter which is carrying the jazam. What the attributive name will be given to that letter? The letter which carries the jazam, what will be called? So the answer, that letter will be called sakin.
Kin.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are two questions and two answers. So the first question, what a jazam looks like? And the answer is, it is kind of tiny dal. It is always over the letter which is empty, has no zabar, no zair, no pesh. There jazam can be given. And the second question was, the letter which carries the sukoon or jazam, what that letter is called? So the answer is, that letter is called what? Sakin.
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 For example, we we we've just talked about this jazam
Sa.
in the first line. Look, so this is meme wow zabar mau.
Mo.
Now tell me, is the meme sakin?
Nahi. The wow is.
Shabash.
Because the meme is, if you technically put a deader wala, like you, when you do double wale, you see with the dal at the last wala.
So this wow is sakin, okay?
Okay. Yeah, because when I was saying, you see the ta at the end of the word,
Yes.
it's got do pesh, okay? And
Yes.
with other double there, double pesh, what she said, you don't put another letter, another cheese on top. Like you only put pesh and more cheese. I know it looks just like a pesh, like the but you cannot do that. You cannot put another letter. Like pretend we got a there, okay? And then you put a pesh. That can't happen.
No. A single letter will carry only single harakat. Either it has zabar or only zair or only pesh. You are right. It is not allowed to put the multiple zabar, zair or pesh on a single letter. Yes, if any letter was marked with multiple harakat, so this means they are telling you that you can assume it the three letters. Like,
Okay.
wait, this is a nice question.